Hey, we understand that sometimes it's necessary to balance your needs and wants on a project with your household budgetary constraints. We wanted to create this video to help you see the differences in the RELIABILT 3201, 3500, and 3900 to help with those decisions if they may arise. All three of these products share some commonalities. All three products share the same type of weather stripping. They all have dual durometer glazing in the glass into the sash frame. There is reinforcements in the sashes of all products, and all three product lines have heavy-duty screens. When we look at the differences in the three products, we're going to focus on a couple of key areas. Number one is weight of vinyl in the product, and the other is the number of chambers in the frame and the sash. And you may be asking, why look at those two areas? And there's important reasons why. Number one is the weight of vinyl is going to tell you how much PVC resin is in that product. There's a certain cost per pound to PVC, and the more you have in a product, it stands to reason that's the cost of the product will fluctuate, but the value of the product will also fluctuate. And we look at the numbers of chambers in the frame and the sash for two reasons. Number one is strength. The more frames you have, more chambers you have in a frame and a sash, the stronger and more durable that product will be. And it also helps in energy efficiency. Each individual chamber acts as an insulator. And the more chambers you have in there, it helps insulate the temperatures from inside your home to outside your home. So we look at the RELIABILT 3201 product. And this product has 16.4 pounds of vinyl in it. The width of the frame is 3.56 inches, and there are 8 chambers in the frame and the sash. The RELIABILT 3500 series product has 18 pounds of vinyl. 3.67 is the frame width, and there are 8 chambers in the frame and the sash. The RELIABILT 3900 series product is 21.8 pounds of vinyl. The frame is 4¼ inches thick, and there are 16 chambers in the frame and the sash. We understand you all have some important considerations and some important things to think about as you work through this project. We thank you all for giving us an opportunity to share some information with you all. Best of luck in your decisions and your project. Take care.